What would happen to the delicious pepperoni pizza you just ate? It's hot, cheesy, and irresistible. One bite turns into two, and before you know it, the whole slice is gone. But while you're enjoying the flavor, an incredible process has already begun inside your body. The moment the pizza enters your mouth, digestion starts. Your teeth begin breaking the slice into smaller pieces, crushing the crust, the melted cheese, and the pepperoni into a soft mixture. At the same time, saliva floods your mouth. This isn't just water. It contains powerful enzymes that begin breaking down carbohydrates in the crust. Even before you swallow, your body is already turning food into usable fuel. Once you swallow, the chewed pizza travels down a muscular tube called the esophagus. Instead of falling straight down, waves of muscle contractions gently push the food toward your stomach. This movement is known as peristalsis, and it works automatically, even if you were upside down. Within seconds, the pizza arrives in your stomach. Here, things get intense. Your stomach releases a powerful mixture of acid and digestive enzymes. The acid is strong enough to break down tough proteins, including the meat from the pepperoni. The muscular walls of the stomach churn and squeeze the food, turning your once perfect slice of pizza into a thick, soupy mixture called chyme. But the stomach isn't working alone. As digestion continues, signals are sent to nearby organs. The pancreas releases enzymes that help break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates even further. If you're enjoying learning how your body secretly works every time you eat, go ahead and hit the like button so more people can discover it too. Meanwhile, the liver produces bile, which is stored in the gallbladder. This bile is especially important for breaking down the fats from the cheese and pepperoni. After about 2 to 4 hours, the partially digested pizza slowly leaves the stomach and enters the small intestine. This is where most of the real absorption happens. The walls of the small intestine are covered in millions of tiny finger-like structures called villi. These microscopic structures dramatically increase the surface area, allowing nutrients to pass into the bloodstream. Carbohydrates from the crust are broken down into glucose, which your body uses for energy. Proteins from the cheese and pepperoni are broken into amino acids, which help repair and build tissues. Fats are broken into fatty acids and absorbed through specialized pathways. Within minutes, these nutrients begin traveling through your blood to power cells throughout your body. Some of the glucose may immediately fuel your brain and muscles. Extra energy might be stored in the liver or muscles for later use. If there's more energy than your body needs, it can eventually be stored as body fat. But digestion still isn't finished. What remains of the pizza, mainly water, fiber, and waste products, moves into the large intestine. Here, billions of beneficial bacteria begin their work. These microbes help break down leftover materials and produce useful compounds like vitamins and short-chain fatty acids that support your health. The large intestine also absorbs most of the remaining water, gradually transforming the leftover material into solid waste. Now, here comes the final chapter of the pizza's journey. The leftover waste is stored temporarily in the rectum. Think of it as the body's waiting room. And eventually, your human brain receives an important message from the digestive system that basically says, "Hey, remember that amazing pizza you ate yesterday? Yeah, we're done with it." Your brain then sends signals to coordinate muscles around the anus to safely remove the waste from the body, which is a very polite biological way of saying, your body schedules a very important bathroom meeting. This entire journey can take anywhere from 24 to 72 hours. Eventually, what remains of that delicious slice of pizza leaves the body as waste. But by then, the nutrients have already been distributed everywhere they're needed, fueling your brain, powering your muscles, repairing tissues, and keeping your body alive. And if you're curious about what happens inside your body, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next deep dive.